Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go, now let's move to the right one. After that, select new ear tips size. I'm going with this one. And then we need to attach it. Now the right one. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!